Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basili. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. Happy New Year 2013. This is the first midweek update video I'm going to record this year, and I'm going to send it in my midweek update. I'm going to send just in few minutes to my newsletter subscriber. If you want to subscribe my newsletter, go to the FibonacciStalking.com blog. On the left side you'll find an icon and you can register there. In this video I'm going to review the dollar index, the euro dollar cross, and the US SP500 E-mini futures index. And let's start from the dollar index. What you see on the screen is the daily chart, and those who follow me will remember that we identified this level of resistance recently. There was the 81.70, 81.60 area here. Excuse me. And price started moving lower. We had confirmation of this resistance level in 81.60 when we went below 79.90 area here. After that we had a retracement, and it was a dirty retracement. As we know, the dollar index is not that liquid as other instruments. The dollar index exchanges typically between 15 and 20,000 contracts per day. That's only 1/10 of the number of contracts that are exchanged on the CME for the euro dollar cross, for instance. So this instrument is not going to be very technical. It's never very technical. Anyway, this short setup in 80, 70, 60 area here reached the target in 79.24, and then we had a retracement. This retracement had resistance exactly where we were expecting it to be, and it was in the 80 area here, and this setup was retested today. We don't know if the dollar will keep moving higher than one. We have this resistance at the moment, but in the morning, with the strength in the euro, the dollar also went to trade straight into this support area. So there is a battle over the trend here for the dollar, and this cycle is going to happen in the euro dollar cross. If we looked at the market seems to be anticipating further dollar weakness, but we need to see the dollar moving lower. So at the moment we have resistance in 80 area, and we have support in the 79.50 area, having a target in the 80.30 area. So in the next days we will see how the dollar is going to move. Above 80.30 area we can even see a retest of this 20-day moving average, and maybe even the 81.60 area. I'm not going to anticipate that at the moment, but we will need to see what happens. And another level we need to watch is definitely the 80.40 area here. This could be also an area of resistance. Moving into the euro dollar, what you see on the screen is the daily chart. Those who follow me know that we identified a level of support recently, and this is located in the 26.80 area with a target in the 134.40 area. And you can review the daily review I posted this morning, or you can actually also review the weekly reviews I post every week to my newsletter, and I also post them on the blog with few days of delay. So at the moment what we have, we had this sequence of measured moves here. I just want to show you the target on the daily chart, and for this I'll need to change the scale, so bear with me just a moment here, so I can set the scale properly, and because I want to show you the actual setup we have on the weekly chart, and we can also see it on this daily chart here. This is the setup. So we have support in 2680 and we have a target in the 134.35, 134.40. so I was expecting this market to keep moving higher, straight higher, but that didn't happen, and we have this sequence of measure move higher. This was the first one, hit the target in 132.50, and then we normally we would have this further measure move here in the 131.10, 131 area. So that would be the next support for the euro, helping price into that 134.30 area. As you can see, these two targets are very close, but as I said today in my daily review, at the moment, and we could only identify this by observation, the euro dollar is respecting this level 131.70. so below 131.40 we can see a retracement into the first level of support, as I said, would be 131.10. so let's see and wait. In the coming days this should be clear whether this support in 131.80 holds or we keep moving lower. So going to the SP500, we had this huge 2 days move here in response to the fiscal cliff kind of patch. The Congress, US Congress is offering at the moment. That's not really complete at the moment. It was voted only in the Senate, and there might be problems in the House, but we don't follow the news. We follow price. So let me show you this support level in the 1352 level that we have been watching in the past. This level has been respected so far, and it has a target in the 1500, so 1513 level to be exact. And what happened in the last 2 days, especially at the end of last year, 31st of December, we hold this level. We hold this support level in 1390, and price never went below 1376.75. so this support area is first target in 1472, and that's where we should see price in the coming days, probably this week, and then we could actually see a retracement down into 1427 level here, as I indicated in the trading plan. But after this retracement, we expect at the moment price to continue higher, so we could see the 1513 level be hit this year, probably within the first 3 months of the year. I hope this midweek update is useful. Typically I only share this video with my newsletter subscriber. I will publish these videos with 6 to 8 days delay, so it's a good idea to subscribe my newsletter for free. I'll send you a lot of information, also articles on HFT, my trading edge, my trading method, and analysis for stocks and forex. So if you are interested, just sign up, it's free. Thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very good evening, and again a happy new year 2013. I hope may this year bring you happiness, health, wealth, and whatever you desire. Thank you very much. Bye bye.